In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add a banner image on Behance. If you've been looking to give your Behance profile a refreshing new look, or simply tweak it with the latest design inspirations, you're in the right place. Changing or adding a banner is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First things first, head over to the Behance website. You can simply type Behance into your preferred web browser search bar, or navigate directly to Behance.net. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged in. If you're not, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. This is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to make any changes to your profile. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of your profile, where you'll typically find the current banner image, if one is already set, or a placeholder if it's your first time adding one. Next, you need to locate and click on the Highlight section. In most cases, this can be found at the top right corner of your existing banner space. This feature allows you to manage and select different visual options for your banner. A few clicks on the Highlight button may be required to bring up the menu options. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries. Once you have the menu open, look for the option that prompts you to upload image. Clicking on Upload Image will open a file browser window on your computer. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your banner image. Select the image file you've prepared. You might have a go-to folder where you keep all your project images, drafts, or final designs. When you've found the image that captures the essence of your portfolio best, select it by clicking on the file once, and then hit Open in your browser window. This action will upload your chosen image to Behance. While the image uploads, ensure it's cropped and placed exactly how you envision it on your banner space. A neatly tailored image can create a strong visual impact and help set the mood or theme of your project showcase. It's always a good idea to use high-resolution images to keep things crisp, which can help in engaging your audience more effectively. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated or added a new banner image to your Behance profile, giving it that fresh, captivating look. Remember, keeping your profile visually appealing can significantly enhance its visibility and attract more viewers to your art and design projects. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy creating!